Being the first to comment on your own post is powerful because it guides the conversation, increases dwell time, and invites people to participate. Here are 10 powerful first comment ideas with hook storytelling and engagement questions to spark discussion. Number 1, the honest truth comment. Let me be honest for a second. A lot of people think growth comes from one viral post. But most creators who succeed didn't go viral overnight. They showed up when no one was watching and they keep posting when engagement was not doing good. Consistency built the momentum. What kept you going when your engagement was not working? Number 2, the behind the post comment. Quick behind the scenes story about this post. This content almost didn't get posted. I keep editing, overthinking, and asking myself if people would understand the message. But sometimes the posts we hesitate to share are the ones someone needs to hear the most. Do you overthink before posting? What helps you push button anyway? Number 3, the unpopular opinion comment. Unpopular opinion about content creation. Long captions don't automatically make content valuable. A powerful message can be one sentence if it connects with the right audience. The real question is not length, it's clarity. Do you prefer short captions or long storytelling posts? Number 4, the lesson learned comment. One lesson content creation I have learned. Not everyone will support you publicly. Some people will watch quietly. Some will never engage, and that's okay. Focus on the people who do show up. They are your real community. Have you experienced silent supporters? Do you appreciate comments, shares, or reactions more? 5, the community builder comment. Let's turn this comment section into a learning space. Every creator here is at a different stage. Some are just starting, some are already monetized, but everyone has something valuable to share from the journey. Creators, what is one thing that helped you grow recently? Number 6, the relatable moment comment. Real talk. There are days when creating content feels exciting, and there are days when it feels exhausting. But discipline keeps you posting even when motivation disappears. Do you rely more on motivation or discipline to create content? Number 7, the curiosity trigger comment. I am curious about something. Different creators have different strategies. Some focus on reels, some focus on pictures, some prioritize storytelling captions. There's no single way to grow. What type of content performs best for you? Reels, photos, or text posts? Number 8, the gratitude comment. Before anything else, I just want to say thank you. Every reaction, comment, and share helps push content further. But beyond the algorithm, it reminds creator that someone is listening. How long have you been part of this creator journey? Number 9, the challenge comment. Let's do a quick challenge in the comments. Growth happens faster when creators support each other. Sometimes one comment can introduce you to a new audience or a valuable connection. If you see someone with the same word as yours, reply to them. Number 10, the reflection comment. Take a moment to think about this. A year from now, the posts you hesitated to publish could have been the ones that built your audience. Progress often starts with imperfect action. What is one content idea you have been afraid to post? And the quality, first comments usually do 3 things. Number 1, add extra value or context. Number 2, encourage conversations. Number 3, make people feel invited to share. Which of these 10 you love to share the most? Please share your thoughts on this, what I have calibrated.